All right, so a tour of 9201. Terry's already decorating. We just got on board. Now this is a pretty small room, but it's actually kind of roomy, even though I said that. So it's pretty simple, as you can see. Small TV, old style, drawers. Now, one of the things that is different about this room is this was considered an interior room. Okay, but we have a window. But I'll show you the downfall of the window. Shelves, naturally. All right, as you can see here, this is what we call one of the hidden decks. And I'll show you at night, you do have to close your drapes in here, especially if you have the lights on. But you do have at least USB ports on both sides of the bed. Overall view. And on each side of us are suites. All right, so if you come out of our room, you have to go to the port side, and you can come out here to the door. You can only do this again on the port side, which will bring you out to the hidden decks. Now, the real problem is people can walk out here anytime they want, and I believe this is our room right there, because there's Terry's bag. So you can see in the room pretty easy, especially at night when the things are on. Oh, just forgot to clean up something. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's your cabin tour.